Hello, we're last year's class presidency from High School Math 3A and 3B. We are here to share some of our favorite tips on how to succeed in this course. The first tip that we would recommend that you would doing is that we recommend that you would go to Math Lab. It really helps.
We also recommend that you resubmit projects. The projects are one of the harder parts of this class, and if you don't get, even if there's like a couple things you don't get right in the equations, you can get docked a lot of points, but if you just resubmit with the correct equation, you can get back a lot of those points that you lost. So resubmit your projects.
Another thing that's really fantastic to do is take the practice exams because they don't count towards your grade at all, and a lot of the questions are either very similar or maybe even the same as what's on the real exam, which is very helpful. So if you get it wrong, you can just go back and say, that's what I did wrong, here's how the formula works, and things along those lines. So definitely take the practice exams.
The next tip is to pay attention in class. Most people do pay attention in class, but every so often there's those people that don't pay attention in class and they don't really know what they're doing on the con skills. And if almost all con skills are reviewed in class, there are very few con skills that aren't because they are, and typically those ones that aren't are very simple. So if you do have problems with them, just pay attention in class. We'll probably review it.
Another tip is, again with projects, is to get help on the projects. Though they can be challenging, if you just go to office hour with your mentor, or even if you collaborate with other students, there's ways to get easy help on projects. They're very willing to help you and help you understand what you're supposed to be doing and help you get it right so that you don't have to resubmit as many times to get the maximum amount of points that you can get.
Okay, and the last tip we have for you is to take notes. There's going to be a lot of formulas that you're going to have to know in this class, and if you're like me, not everything stays in your head, especially for exams. And Miss Willis usually lets you take your notes into exams with you, which is very helpful for the skills. And putting those notes down will not only help you remember in your head, but you'll also have some sort of information to bring along with you during your quizzes. So good luck out there, get those A's, do well, and have fun.